Alright y'all, so what's going on, man, and welcome to today's video. Starting out in the garage, as I told y'all, man, a huge overhaul on the STI. I've got majority of the remaining interior pieces, missing a couple things like the cage, which will be here really soon, so you can expect a video because this car is about to be seriously dope. So last video you guys saw, I got the new shifter from Likewise, and I got the remaining piece for the whole shifter assembly. So I told y'all I'm going with a new look. So I got a red suede shift boot, and I'm gonna go ahead and be assembling that with the new shifter and putting that in the car today. I don't know if y'all can see, probably can't because it's not really that light, but I have the interior piece taken apart. So this is actually gonna be for sale. This Tomei, I'll probably be selling that, so keep a lookout for that. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get the shifter boot assembly and everything assembled real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it put on the car, man. Let's go.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends.
Alright, so got the new shift boot on. God damn, it looks so dope. Look at that bolt. Is that a Tomei? And now we're about to go ahead and put the Likewise and everything back together. So let's go ahead and head out to the garage. Alright, so by some random stretch in the miracle, I found a light and put it in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the old Tomei knob off as well too.
I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls.
Oh my God, you guys. Oh. Look at how mean that looks. Look at the top of this shifter. Oh my God. God, that looks so tough. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the car cleaned up, man. That's gonna do it for today's video. I know it was really short, but I was really excited to put this on the car, man. Huge shout out to the people over at Likewise, man. This thing is dope as hell. I did not know it was gonna look this freaking sick. And if you caught a glimpse of the color, man, you know what's next to come. It's just a hint for you. But yeah, man, I thank y'all for tuning in to today's video. Again, I said I'm sorry it's short. But we have huge things coming, man. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, man, just take a couple of seconds, bro. Hit that subscribe button. It's about to get real crazy on this interior, man. And the motor. The motor's getting close to completed. And there may be a new project car here today. Maybe right over here. I don't know. Gotta stay tuned though, man. So thank y'all for watching, man. Peace out. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to